Beyond the barbed wire, the tunnel that Queensbury locals feared would never see the light of day again. Everyone agrees that the damage here needs repairing, but Highways England, who are responsible for the tunnel, say it's unsafe and have already poured tons of crushed stone into it to keep it from collapsing. But for 5 years, campaigners like Nora have argued that it should be reopened and used as a cycleway.
It's a crazy contradiction between the professed intention of the Department for Transport to encourage active travel and using money in this way to destroy something which is waiting to be developed as a cycleway.
This is what they'd like to see, the tunnel restored for modern day use. And today, campaigners feel they're no longer staring into a big black hole, with the Transport Secretary announcing he'll soon be coming to visit.
We feel that that is a sign of optimism. The Department for Transport is saying that they would like a positive outcome. So we would like to think that they would use £7 million for a positive outcome rather than a destructive ending.
And should they get their way, cyclists will soon have a faster link between Bradford and Halifax. I've asked Highways England for an interview today, but no one's got back to me. The campaigners say they wait in hope that the Transport Secretary will back their ambitious proposal. Hannah Gray, BBC Look North, Queensbury.